My fellow retail leaders, technology and talent shortages are transforming how we operate. In the US and EU alike, companies face shrinking labor pools and rising automation. To thrive, we must invest in our greatest asset, our people, equipping them with skills for the future. A true learning culture turns training into a strategic weapon. When every associate sees learning as part of their job, our companies stay agile and innovative. French retail giant Carrefour calls it tous digital, reaching 60,000 employees in 3 weeks. We, too, will foster a shared culture where adapting and advancing skills is celebrated every day. Even our brightest engineers must keep learning. Tech teams need deep, hands-on training in AI and data science. Amazon set the bar by launching an internal machine learning university for its engineers. We will do the same, pushing our AI teams to hone cutting-edge skills through project rotations and masterclasses. After all, 77% of companies worldwide are upskilling workers to work with AI. We cannot afford to fall behind. Store managers are the captains of our ship. We will transform them into digital leaders who use data dashboards like second nature. Through immersive scenario training, as Walmart did with VR, cutting training time by 96%, our managers will practice handling AI-driven tools and real-life challenges in a risk-free way. They'll marry people's skills with tech savvy, inspiring their teams and making data-driven decisions on the fly. Our frontline employees, cashiers, sales associates, pickers, drivers, are heroes of daily operations. We will empower them with on-the-go learning. Picture short 5-minute modules on a phone, teaching a new PO system or safety skill. Companies like Amazon even fund college for frontline staff. Walmart found that employees in its education program were 4 times more likely to stay and earned more promotions. By investing in every associate's growth, we build loyalty and a stronger workforce. One size does not fit all. In fashion retail, we'll blend creativity with data, teaching store staff to use digital style tools and HQ teams to analyze trends. In grocery, it's about operational excellence. From farm to shelf, employees trained in analytics for inventory and logistics. E-commerce is tech-centric. We'll turn warehouse workers into robot technicians and customer analysts. Luxury retail demands white glove service. We'll provide rich storytelling and clienteling training via engaging mobile lessons, ensuring every luxury associate delivers impeccable experiences. We're not alone on this journey. Look at Walmart. They built academies and even use VR to prepare staff, slashing training time and boosting confidence. Their investment in education, Live Better You, has paid off in loyalty and advancement. Amazon is investing $1.2 billion to upskill 300,000 employees by 2025, from warehouse workers becoming techs to corporate staff learning AI. Target created a skills taxonomy and a talent marketplace to grow from within, even offering free college degrees through Guild Education. These giants prove that bold workforce investments get results, and we will benchmark and beat these standards. The cutting edge of training is AI-driven. Modern learning platforms use AI to adapt lessons to each person's needs. No more one-size-fits-all drudgery. Imagine a new hire getting a tailored training playlist, or an AI chatbot on the store floor that can answer, "How do I do this?" on the spot. Instant coaching. We'll deploy these intelligent tools to personalize development. Our internal systems will suggest career moves for each employee. You've mastered inventory management. How about training for supply chain analyst? This is how we accelerate growth, using AI not to replace our people, but to raise them up. Our strategy spans oceans, so we'll tailor it. In North America, we'll tap into local colleges and national programs to amplify our training efforts. In Europe, we'll integrate our learning culture with well-established apprenticeship systems and respect the role of works councils in employee development. In both regions, compliance is key. We'll protect employee data, GDPR, in Europe, and ensure every training program meets safety and labor standards. Upskilling is a global priority, but we'll deliver it with local savvy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our moment to lead. By investing in continuous learning, we aren't just reacting to change, we're shaping it. We have a bold vision. Every team member from checkout to the C-suite will be ready for tomorrow's challenges. HI-GTM stands ready to help make this vision a reality, bringing expertise in strategy and AI-driven training programs. Let's move forward together. Empower your people, and your retail empire will thrive. The time to act is now. Let's build this future, starting today.